Alright, here we are today. We're at Lake Hope State Park. We're going to walk the Furnace Trail. It's 3.1 miles. We'll get back 6 miles in. We'll walk in to the end and then we'll walk back out. Right here shows on the map where we're at. We're right here in location J. We're going to go up around this way. It gives us a couple miles. We'll come back out. We might go ahead and just finish it on back this way and then come back around. We'll see. Try to get the whole map in. But yeah, a little beautiful spot down alongside Lake Hope. Pretty little place. The trail looks pretty well defined. Should be pretty easy traveling. Got my big brother with me today. We're looking to hit the trails, put in some miles. Looks like there'll be some pretty scenery along the way. Still yet March 21st, about 40 degrees or so. Not a lot of green on the trees, so we'll be able to see, take in a lot of views. So yeah, anything pretty we see along the way, we'll stop and we'll take a look at it and show y'all. See what happens. Enjoy it. We'll see y'all. We've got a nice pretty little view of the lake. Here's the trail coming back this way. Nice long view of it. Kind of in a long strand here, or bend I'd say. There's one up around that away. Here's Big Brother along the trail. Pretty little country. Few people out on the trail today we've seen. Beautiful day. And a little cool little spot in the trail. You see it runs back around that way. We crossed that bridge. Went over that way, across that little bridge. We're down on the nook at the end of the pond, or the lake itself. The lake's going down that way. This cool little spot here. Middle of all the hills. Oh, all right, here we go. We made it around the end, around here. So we put in the 3.1 miles almost. We go back around, hit that little area. But yeah, that's what we're doing so far. Right up here alongside the edge of the lake. For a little area. Parking area. And here it looks like we got this shelter. And Big Brother probably go up there and grab some bite to eat here directly. A little bit of information. Alright, we're gonna grab a bite and get ready to head back around. One more last view of the lake. Pretty little area. Alright, we got this pretty nice little spot here come on. Nice little creek or waterfall. Pretty nice little cave system. There's a bridge we're going across. Seen a rock that was tagged earlier by SHS. I probably should have took a picture of that. 1886. Very nice. We got a little trail leading back into the cave here. Let's see what we got. There's a little spot. There's a lot of tracks leading back in through there. Look, there's ain't much water in. Very good spot. Alright. Go back through here and finish the last couple tenths of this mile of this trail here. Drop Big Brother off where we entered. I'll make a run back through here real quick and finish the trail and come back and meet Big Brother and get ready to call it a day. Y'all be good.